stop scrolling. Is your school bag really ready for everything the school day throws at you? Let's see what every student should actually carry. First things first, your backpack. Sturdy straps, enough pockets, padded back, so books don't jab you all day. Bonus points if it has a secret pocket for small treasures. Notebooks, textbooks, yep, the basics. But here's a hack. Keep a sticky note with your locker combo inside your notebook. Never forget it again. Multiple notebooks or a multi-section one keeps you organized, and always pack extra paper for sudden inspiration. Your pencil case isn't just pencils. It's your class survival kit. Pack pens, pencils, erasers, highlighters, sticky notes, and a tiny clip to attach your headphones. Pro tip: color code your pens for instant mood boost. Phones, tablets, chargers, lifesavers. Keep them in one pocket so nothing tangles. Bonus: a small phone stand doubles as a mini study desk during free periods. And don't forget your water bottle. Hydration equals focus. Emergency kit time. Sanitary pads, tissues, hand sanitizer, deodorant, mini band-aids, hair ties, hand cream. Quick tip: keep them in a small pouch at the bottom. Accessible, but hidden. Make your bag uniquely yours. Lip balm, mini notebook for doodles, a tiny Lucky Charm, maybe a stress ball for focus breaks. Small things, big impact. Organize by category. Study, health, tech, fun. It keeps your bag light, everything easy to find, and you look super prepared. Quick bonus: a small snack, gum or mints, a tiny first aid hack, like double-sided tape for loose buttons. Trust me, your classmates will be impressed. Try packing your bag this way tomorrow and see how much smoother your day goes. Comment your favorite school bag essential, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.